What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm sharing a simple way to make classic chicken pot pie. I'm using frozen biscuits, but you can also use canned biscuits if you wish. It's so creamy, delicious with some buttery, crisp biscuits on top. Everyone's gonna love these. And so I start with my chicken. I have some diced chicken here. You can also use some fully cooked chicken or fully cooked rotisserie chicken. And then I have my veggies, carrots, onions, celery, garlic, and peas. You really can use whatever you like. Get some broth, some milk, flour, and my spices. I'm gonna season this with Creole seasoning, but you can also use like your favorite chicken rub. And then here are my frozen biscuits. These are not thawed, these are right out of the package. And so I'm gonna first start by cooking my diced chicken here. I wanna make sure that that chicken is seasoned. I'm just gonna cook this until all of it is fully cooked through, no longer pink. Once the chicken is cooked, I'm gonna add my vegetables to the pan here and get these seared as well. And then once those veggies are soft and seared, I'm gonna sprinkle the flour throughout. I like to add the flour in stages and then mix everything up and then add a little bit more flour. This will help prevent it from clumping up and getting overly thick. And so I just add it in stages here. This flour is what's gonna thicken up our cream sauce. And so this is great to add in here. Then I'm gonna pour in my milk along with the broth and then give everything a stir. And then I like to let this thicken up over the next few minutes. It's gonna create a very rich cream sauce. And then I'm adding my biscuits on top here. And then I bake these in a 350-degree oven. You may need to check out your instructions for the biscuits that you purchase, and if it recommends a different temperature, then use that. This will typically take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes to bake. It's really gonna depend on the type of biscuits you use. Mine took about 25 minutes. You wanna make sure the biscuits are fully cooked through to the bottom, and the tops of these are golden, and that's when you know this is ready to go.